Which of the following is true regarding the fees and qualifications for notaries public in New York? To answer this question, let's have a look at our four choices to determine the solution. Choice A states, a notary public cannot charge a fee for administering the oath of office to a public officer. Is this true? To answer this question, let's have a look at section 69 of the Public Officers Law found in your Notary Public License Law booklet, and it states, an officer is not entitled to a fee for administering the oath of office to a member of the legislature, to any military officer, to an inspector of election, clerk of the poll, or to any other public officer or public employee. So based on this section 69, indeed it seems that choice A is true, but before we mark this as the correct solution, let's continue on with our other choices. Choice B states, a notary public must file an oath of office before executing any official duties. Well, is this true? Let's have a look again at the Public Officers Law, and it starts with notary must not act before taking and filing oath of office in bold, and it continues, the Public Officers Law, section 15, provides that a person who executes any of the functions of a public office without having taken and duly filed the required oath of office as prescribed by law is guilty of a misdemeanor. A notary public is a public officer. In other words, a notary public as a public officer must take and duly file the required oath of office. Therefore, choice B as well seems to be true. So we've got choice A that's true and choice B that's true. Let's move on to choice C to see if this also is true. Choice C states, a notary public may not demand more than the statutory fee allowed for notarial services. Well, is this true? Let's look again at the Public Officers Law, this time section 67, and for the purpose of this question we can jump to subdivision 2, which states, an officer or other person to whom a fee or other compensation is allowed by law for any service shall not charge or receive a greater fee or reward for that service than is so allowed. So indeed it seems that choice C also is true. Let's move on to choice D to see if we can be rescued. Choice D states that all of the above are true. Well, as we just finished saying, because choices A, B, and C are all true, and choice D states all of the above are true, then that of course means that choice D, all of the above, is the correct solution.